Welcome to Future Frame AI, your window into the intelligent systems shaping our world. Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing surveillance and security in ways once thought impossible. AI has dramatically changed the landscape of surveillance and security. With technologies like facial recognition and predictive analytics, we're seeing smarter systems that enhance our ability to monitor and keep our communities safe. Imagine walking through a city where smart cameras can recognize faces or detect unusual behavior, making our streets a bit safer. Cities around the globe are integrating AI solutions to enhance public safety. For instance, smart cameras can quickly identify missing persons or unusual activities, allowing law enforcement to respond faster than ever before. It's quite impressive how technology is stepping up to help us. Yet, this advancement isn't without its concerns. The rise of AI in surveillance prompts serious questions about privacy and civil liberties. As we explore these technologies, it's essential to consider how we balance safety with individual privacy. Looking ahead, AI's role in our society will keep evolving. Future innovations may lead to even more sophisticated security systems. How we manage this evolution will shape our world for years to come. If you found this discussion intriguing, remember to like this video, subscribe to Future Frame AI, and hit the bell to stay alert and informed about the latest in AI technology. Surveillance has come a long way from the simple days of just cameras and security guards. Nowadays, we're stepping into a world where artificial intelligence is changing the game, making our surroundings safer and more efficient. AI is truly the powerhouse behind modern surveillance systems. It analyzes vast amounts of footage and data in a matter of seconds, spotting patterns and recognizing faces in real time. Imagine a system that not only sees, but understands what it sees. That's AI for you. This smart tech doesn't just passively observe, it actively predicts potential threats before they escalate. For instance, in busy urban areas, AI can notify authorities of unusual behaviors or large gatherings that might indicate trouble, all while keeping us safe. We've seen impressive outcomes, like crime reductions in cities employing such advanced systems. But it's not all smooth sailing. With great power comes great responsibility, too. And here's where we need to consider privacy and ethical implications. In the end, as AI continues to shape surveillance, we're left to wonder, what will the future look like? Have you ever noticed how our world seems to be getting smarter? The rise of facial recognition technology is a key part of that transformation. It's everywhere, from the moment we step into airports to simply scrolling through social media, and it's making our lives a little easier and a lot more interesting. So, how does this technology actually work? At its core, facial recognition uses algorithms to analyze your unique facial features, like the distance between your eyes or the shape of your nose. It then compares these features to a massive database, allowing it to identify you in just milliseconds. Pretty impressive, right? Now, think about how this technology is applied. Imagine checking in at the airport without showing your ID or getting tagged automatically in your friend's photos online. It's convenient, but it also raises important questions about privacy. Many people worry about how often they are being tracked without their consent. As we look ahead, the future of facial recognition is both exciting and a little concerning. It's all about straddling that fine line between innovation and ethics. What do you think about this tech? Share your thoughts below. In today's world, AI systems are revolutionizing our safety. By analyzing behavior, they help keep our public spaces secure, detecting unusual activities like loitering or running well before a human might even notice. Imagine walking through your favorite mall. You might not be aware of the subtle patterns emerging around you. AI is there, studying the flow of people, learning what's normal. It recognizes when someone seems out of place, perhaps loitering for too long or acting aggressively. This means faster responses to potential issues, making everyone feel safer and more at ease. These smart technologies are popping up everywhere, from bustling city streets to your local shopping centers. For instance, in a crowded train station, AI keeps a watchful eye. It can monitor large groups, ensuring everything runs smoothly, and alert security if things start to look off. As we look ahead, the role of AI in behavior analysis will only grow. While these systems can create safer communities, we must always consider the balance between security and privacy, in our ever-evolving digital world. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of AI vision systems. These incredible technologies see more than what meets the eye. Imagine a world where your car's license plate is recognized in an instant. That's right. With cutting-edge license plate recognition, AI can accurately read and identify plates on the move, boosting traffic management and safety on our roads. But it doesn't stop there. Let's explore how these systems excel at object detection. They're not just focused on vehicles, they can pinpoint any unusual objects, like weapons, enhancing safety in crowded places like malls or stadiums. As we all appreciate having an extra layer of security, this capability becomes incredibly valuable. In real life, cities across the globe are incorporating these technologies in law enforcement and smart city initiatives. They streamline emergency responses, keeping our communities safer. Looking ahead, the future of AI and security is bright. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for increased efficiency and safety in our daily lives is massive. AI vision systems are truly changing how we perceive security. In today's digital age, law enforcement is turning to artificial intelligence for crime prevention. Predictive policing leverages technology to forecast potential criminal activity by analyzing historical data and current trends. This approach helps police departments allocate their resources more efficiently, focusing where they're needed most. So, how does AI analyze data, you ask? Well, it's pretty fascinating. AI algorithms dig through mountains of information, identifying patterns from past incidents. They look at various factors, time, location, and types of crimes, to paint a clear picture of where things might go wrong. This smart analysis allows law enforcement to anticipate trouble hotspots, making it easier to prepare and respond. One of the biggest benefits? Crime forecasting can lead to lower crime rates. By predicting where incidents are likely to occur, police can increase patrols in those areas. This proactive stance not only enhances public safety, but also fosters trust between the community and law enforcement through a visible presence. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Predictive policing has its challenges and raises ethical questions. Issues like racial bias in data and privacy concerns can't be overlooked. It's super important for police agencies to handle these challenges responsibly, ensuring that this technology promotes fairness while keeping our communities safe. In today's world, ensuring the safety of our homes is vital. Innovative AI-integrated systems like Ring, Nest, and Arlo are transforming how we protect our spaces. These systems are making security smart, easy, and super efficient. These modern security systems utilize machine learning algorithms that analyze data to differentiate between familiar faces, strangers, and potential false alarms. Imagine getting a notification on your phone that's actually relevant. No more annoying alerts every time a squirrel passes by. This smart tech improves your security while minimizing those pesky notifications, allowing you to feel safer and more relaxed at home. The ability to distinguish between a friend and a possible intruder gives homeowners awesome peace of mind. With features like real-time alerts and video monitoring, you can easily keep an eye on your property and act quickly if something seems off. It's your home, and you deserve to feel in control and secure. If you found this information valuable, please support our channel by subscribing and becoming part of our community. A like, a positive comment, and sharing this video can spread awareness about home security. Let's delve deeper into these fascinating technologies and discover how they empower us to create safer living environments. Now sit back and enjoy the video. Today, we explore the evolving role of autonomous drones in surveillance. These AI-driven devices can patrol, scan, and track movements around our homes without any human intervention. Autonomous drones utilize advanced AI algorithms, enabling them to analyze data and make decisions in real time. With high-resolution cameras and sensors, they monitor large areas efficiently, whether for security or environmental purposes. Imagine a drone gliding smoothly along your backyard, alerting you to any unusual activity while you enjoy a cup of coffee. There's a growing divide in public opinion regarding AI surveillance. Some feel safer with drones actively watching their surroundings, believing they can help deter crime. Others express concerns about privacy invasion and the potential misuse of this technology. It's fascinating how a single concept can spark such diverse opinions. We want to hear from you. Would you feel safer or more nervous with AI watching your home? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more engaging discussions on technology and safety. In today's digital world, deepfake technology has become a tool for creating highly realistic fake videos. But as it grows, so do the risks associated with its misuse. Have you ever seen a video that seemed just a bit off? That's the power and danger of deepfakes, which can be used to spread misinformation and manipulate reality in ways we might not expect. Misinformation spreads rapidly through social media, with deepfakes playing a significant role. These manipulated videos can damage reputations, influence elections, and ignite social tensions, highlighting the urgent need for effective detection strategies. It's a tricky situation, right? You might find yourself questioning what's real and what's not in a sea of content. Thankfully, advancements in AI have led to the development of sophisticated tools designed to detect deepfakes. These systems analyze inconsistencies in video data, helping to identify manipulated content before it can cause harm. Imagine having a digital watchdog working for you. Detection algorithms evaluate facial movements, audio synchronization, and lighting discrepancies. By pinpointing these flaws, they can successfully flag alterations that may not be visible to the naked eye. It's like having a super sleuth at your fingertips. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's crucial to support continued advancements in AI detection technologies. Together, we can combat misinformation and protect the integrity of our digital communications. Let's stay informed and use technology for good. In today's world, security is more crucial than ever. With rising threats and vulnerabilities, traditional methods like locks and keys just can't keep up. That's where access control systems come into play. They regulate who enters certain areas, ranging from simple keycards to advanced smartphone apps, showcasing how technology is making security smarter. One standout method in this realm is biometric security. This uses unique human traits like fingerprints, iris patterns, and even voice to confirm who you are. It's like having your very own security bouncer. For instance, fingerprint recognition is a classic biometric method. Fingerprints are unique to each person, and with AI analyzing their features, it becomes incredibly hard to copy. Then there's iris recognition, which scans the patterns in your eye, super secure and accurate. And let's not forget voice recognition. By picking up on vocal patterns, it makes accessing digital devices a breeze, while keeping unwanted guests at bay. As we look ahead, expect AI-driven biometric systems to play a major role in securing our spaces, evolving constantly to tackle new threats. Security has never felt this personal. In today's rapidly changing world, technology plays a crucial role in our safety. Real-time alert systems harness the power of AI. Imagine a quiet neighborhood where everything seems normal, but hidden in the data could be a sign of trouble. Anomalies can be anything from unusual behavioral patterns to environmental dangers, such as wildfires or floods. These systems monitor vast amounts of data, enabling them to recognize threats before they escalate. It's like having a friendly watchdog alerting us to potential issues, giving us time to react. Once an anomaly is detected, AI doesn't just sit back. It triggers instant alerts to the authorities, firefighters, police, or emergency responders, ensuring they have crucial information right away. Picture a scene where firefighters receive a text just moments after a flare-up is detected in a building. That's the kind of speed we're talking about. By enabling rapid responses, these systems save countless lives. Emergency services can act quickly, providing vital assistance and potentially preventing disastrous outcomes. As we embrace these technologies, the importance of investing in and improving real-time alert systems cannot be overstated. Let's stay informed and support innovations in AI for a safer future. Today, we delve into the dual nature of AI, how it serves as a protector while simultaneously posing threats to our privacy and freedoms. It's fascinating how technology can keep us safe, yet also raise alarms about our personal data being watched and tracked. As technology advances, the line between safety measures and invasive surveillance blurs. Governments and corporations utilize AI for security, but at what cost? We must explore the balance between using AI to enhance safety and respecting individual privacy rights. Imagine walking down the street while unknown eyes are keeping tabs on you. Comfortable or creepy. Numerous instances exist where AI technologies have been weaponized. Think about facial recognition in public spaces, targeted advertising that feels a little too personal, and even social credit systems. These practices prompt us to question the ethical implications and our complicity in condoning such surveillance measures. We need to ask ourselves, is this really okay? Regulation plays a crucial role in safeguarding privacy. We need strong legal frameworks ensuring transparency and accountability in AI use. Preventing abuse while allowing technological advancements to flourish without compromising individual rights. As conscious consumers and citizens, let's advocate for responsible AI use. Engage in conversations, support legislative measures, and stay alert against the encroachment of surveillance under the guise of safety. Remember, our privacy matters. From face detection to drones, smart alerts to crime prediction, AI is truly changing how we watch, protect, and sometimes control our surroundings. Let's kick things off with face detection technology. This nifty feature allows security systems to identify people in a jiffy, making it easier to catch potential wrongdoers in crowded places. Imagine walking through a busy mall and the cameras are pinpointing faces to ensure safety. Now, what about those smart alerts? These are real game changers. When something suspicious happens, authorities can be notified instantly, meaning faster responses and a higher chance of preventing crime before it happens. Let's not forget about drones. They soar above, providing an eagle-eye view that helps monitor large areas for any unusual activity. Whether it's crowd control at events or looking for signs of trouble during emergencies, drones are invaluable. Lastly, crime prediction algorithms are shaking things up. By analyzing data patterns, these systems can forecast where crimes might occur, helping police be more proactive. Balancing this tech with our privacy remains crucial. Exciting times ahead. Welcome to our exploration of artificial intelligence. In today's fast-paced world, staying informed about AI is crucial. Let's jump into the latest developments and discover how AI is reshaping industries and even our everyday lives. You might not realize it, but AI is playing a significant role in everything from healthcare to entertainment, making our lives easier and more efficient. It's essential to keep yourself updated on these advancements, since they affect technology, the economy, and society at large. By understanding these changes, you'll be better equipped to navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of AI, making informed decisions in your own life. If you find this topic as fascinating as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and encourages more great content. Plus, don't forget to subscribe to Future Frame AI to stay in the loop. And hey, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any updates. As we dive deeper into the age of intelligence, being informed is your key to security. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.